Not all charcoal is created equally. Our story begins in El Salvador, home to the world's best coffee. El Salvador's rich, fertile volcanic soil allows specialty coffee to be grown at high altitude on the slopes of volcanoes, under a canopy of shade trees, the coffee rainforest. Shade-grown coffee promotes biodiversity and improves the retention of water and nutrients in the soil. One of the principal trees used is the Inga tree. The Inga trees enrich the soil with nitrogen, and the coffee plants growing underneath it with much-needed shade and nutrients. As the Inga trees grow, they are pruned to manage the proper amount of shade and the ideal conditions for quality specialty coffee to grow. The various species of Inga wood from these pruned limbs and branches was previously discarded or burnt by the farms, but it is what we use to make our special aromatic blend of high-performance Fogo Charcoal. This is the secret. It's the wood that makes it taste so good. At Fogo, we prioritize quality as well as sustainability. Our commitment to sustainability has fostered strong partnerships with local coffee producers and allowed us to make a positive economic contribution to our local communities. Our foundation has been planting more than 40,000 trees each year and growing, reclaiming previously deforested areas and preventing soil erosion. Fogo is a craft lump charcoal. We produce it in an artisanal, small batch system by master artisans. Inspired by the Mayans, we build our own brick ovens from the ground up, using time-honored techniques just like our forefathers. The brick ovens are filled with our signature wood blend and set to burn at very low temperatures, just like a brisket, low and slow. This process deprives the Inga wood from oxygen, so that the wood burns off water, wood oils, and impurities. The result is an award-winning charcoal with a clean, consistent, and hot burn. Once the charcoal emerges from its transformative journey in our ovens, it enters the next step to ensure maximum reliability and quality. At Fogo, we hand-select each piece of charcoal to make sure only the finest make it into our bags, and the charcoal is meticulously screened to remove dust and impurities. We undertake this quality process with every single Fogo bag, guaranteeing that every bag that reaches you is nothing short of the best. Experience the Fogo life and join us in bringing people together, one grill at a time.